Hey everyone, so I did want to come on here and share where I got my withdrawal letter to withdraw my, at the time, 6th grader out of public school. She has been in public school since like pre-K to 6th grade, and on her last day I decided to withdraw her per her request to be homeschooled. So let me go ahead and show you where I got mine at. By the way, you can find so many different options out there depending on your state, the format, all that good stuff. I know I came across a few different California ones, and I just chose the one that fit best. This is the example letter that I used to withdraw my 6th grader out of public school. At the end of the first paragraph, I just put transferring to a private school because we don't have a name for our homeschool yet, and I'm going to file that next month. I found this sample withdrawal letter on the Homeschool Association of California website. There might be some different format for your state, but if you're in California, you could at least use this one. This withdrawal letter, I did just copy and paste it onto a Google Drive. I popped in all our information, and then I just pretty much signed it, stamped it, and delivered it to the front office. Once I file all our homeschool information, I do plan on requesting all the records for my little one, and this is the format that I'm also just going to copy and paste, print and send.